In this lesson, we are going to learn how to read a very common cable marking, NMB 14 halves. If you work with residential wiring in the United States, you will see this type of marking all the time. And once you understand how to read it, cable identification becomes much easier. Let's break the label into parts NMB 14 and 2. Each part tells you something important about the cable. First, NM means non-metallic cable, or more specifically, non-metallic sheathed cable. This is a very common cable used in residential construction. It has an outer non-metallic jacket and insulated conductors inside. Next, the letter B refers to the insulation rating used for the conductors inside the cable. In simple terms, it tells you this is the modern NMB type cable with conductors rated for higher temperature insulation. Now let's look at the number 14. This means the conductor size is 1 for AWG. AWG stands for American Wire Gauge. A 14A gauge conductor is smaller than a 12A gauge conductor. And in residential work, 14 AWG copper is commonly used on 15 amp circuits. Now the last part, /2, or 14 halves. This means the cable has 2 insulated conductors inside. In a typical NMB 14 halves cable, those are 1 black conductor and 1 white conductor. It also usually includes a bare copper ground wire, but that bare ground is not counted in the 2. So even though the cable contains 3 conductors physically, the marking 14 halves refers only to the 2 insulated conductors. That is a very important detail to remember. Another important point is that you should not identify this cable by color alone. Many people recognize yellow NMB quickly, but the correct way is to read the printed marking on the jacket. The labeling tells you the cable type, wire size, and conductor count much more reliably than color alone. In real residential wiring, NMB 14 halves is commonly used for 15 amp branch circuits, such as lighting circuits and many general-purpose receptacle circuits, where allowed by code and design. So here is the easiest way to remember it. NM means non-metallic cable. B refers to the insulation type. 14 is the wire size in AWG. And 2 means 2 insulated conductors inside the cable. And in most cases, there is also a bare copper ground included. Once you can read a marking like NMB 14 halves, you are already starting to understand cable identification much better. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.